What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well, guys. We're going to go over our friend Sandbox. Currently, we're up 13% on the day. We're sitting at $5.13. We're sitting at a market cap of $4.7 billion, 24-hour volume, $1.21 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Sorry, guys, just a little bit of adjustments here. And you can grab one of the incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, $25 just for signing up through my referral. Let's get into Sand. Just going to turn up my screen brightness here. All right, guys. So here's Sandbox. First entry, 632. Second, 567, 495, 444. So we hit 4 of our entries, guys. If you entered with $500, you now have $2,000 in your trade. And we've come up and we've broken out of our descending channel here. So if we can hold the EMAs as support, if we hold about 495 as support, we could see continuation up to our first take profit zone, which would actually be here. Let me just quickly drop it in. And that's a juicy trade opportunity from our break even. 10% trade, guys. Very, very juicy. In my opinion, if you had 500 each buy zone, that's $2,000. That's $200, easy money. We're back above the EMAs. We have a little bit of pullback here. Maybe we'll create a little bit of a bull flag. So you would take your little trend lines, draw your flag, and then you would measure your flag pull. If we do break out back to the upside, we are overbought, guys, on the 1 hour time frame, so we could definitely see some pullback. Look at that, perfectly takes us up to our take profit zone at 567. Let's pop over to the 4 hour time frame. Let me quickly pop open the money flow. Not sure why I don't have it open, but let's get the money flow on here. All right, let's pop back over to the 1 hour. Yes, with the money flow as well as the 1 hour trending towards overbought, and that's usually when you're going to see some pullback or some consolidation. Same with the 4 hour time frame. We're trending towards overbought, so do keep a close eye on that as well as on the money flow. However, we have broken out of this descending channel, which is bullish, guys. If we can hold the EMAs, especially on the 4 hour, and get the bullish cross just as we did here, we could see a nice pump back to the upside. If we were to roll, guys, if we did see a fake out, then we could come back down to 444, which would be perfectly okay, in my opinion. There is a lot of support and resistance around this level. So it's just something to keep a close eye on. If we look at Sand on the daily, we've been talking about this descending triangle, possibility of an ABC correction. However, guys, if we can see a throwback up into this pattern and we get back above the EMAs, we could be looking to come up to this level of resistance, which is coming in at about 597 for Sand, all the way down to the bottom section of the money flow, and that's where you're going to see a bounce right here, bounce right here as well. Huge bounce, guys. So we're back down. We're seeing a bounce once again. So do watch the EMAs. If we get back above them, that's really bullish, guys. Our breakout target from this descending triangle is up here at 850. Now, if we do get rejected and we start to roll, we can still go through that ABC, but it doesn't go straight down, guys. It works in waves. So maybe we push up, we come down, we break lower, we push up, we come down, we push up, we break down. Or we get back above the EMAs, we hold them as support, and we start breaking out back up to 850, which would be incredible for our friend Sandbox. All right, guys, we look at Bitcoin, as I've been mentioning. We've seen our spring, as I always mention. I always go over Bitcoin in my Matic videos, and we started to see our spring just as we did over the summertime, guys. So very, very exciting times in the market. So just watch the EMAs. If we do get rejected, you see us start to roll over, then we can go through that ABC. If we break above them, then our take profit level is up here at 567. Of course, you don't have to wait for it to get all the way up there if you don't want to. Use your own discretion. And then our buy zones are still the same, guys. We've hit 4 of our entries, but then we have 396, we have 319, 244, all the way down. I think I have is that the lowest one? Oh, wow. Equal amounts at each buy zone as a spot trader, and then if you're leverage trading, double your margin. If you want access to 1,000 members talking all things crypto, sign up to the Discord through the Patreon. It's the price of a coffee, $350 USD, and you also get the DCA charts as well as the DCA trade strategy explained for many crypto projects. You really can't beat it, guys. Price of a coffee. Now, if this were to be the bottom for Sand, of course, that's not promised. I can give some impulsive wave targets. From swing high down to swing low, you would target the 1.618, coming in at about $14.11, and it lines up pretty close with the 2.618 with our Fibonacci here, pulled from our May crash all the way down to our July low. All right, guys, beautiful. Look at this movement for sand. Absolutely incredible. Perfectly healthy for it to be consolidating one right now, and it's still looking really, really strong in my opinion. So that's it for Sandbox, guys. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit. I'm currently up on my trade for sand. I'll throw it up on the screen. $4,100 in bonuses for a limited time, and make sure to check out the Discord, crypto.com, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.